Part 3 of the Indian Constitution from Article 12 to 35 deals with fundamental rights. Article 12 gives definition of state. Fundamental rights normally state के against होते हैं, but state मतलब exactly क्या ये Article 12 बताता है. Article 13 deals with power of judicial review. Judicial review explicitly Constitution में mention तो नहीं किया, but simply Article 13 ये कहता है इंडिया का कोई भी law अगर fundamental right violate करता है तो वो law invalid होगा. Article 14 to 18 deals with right to equality, which contains provisions like equality before law, equal protection of law, reservation, right against untouchability, abolition of titles, etc. Article 19 to 22 deals with right to freedom. Here you have right to freedom of speech and expression, right against detention, right to life, etc. Article 23-24 deals with right against exploitation such as begari, child labor, etc. Article 25 to 28 deals with right to freedom of religion like some personal worshipping rights and certain community rights. Article 29-30 deals with cultural and educational rights of minorities. Article 31 is repealed, it dealt with right to property. Article 32 is about right to constitutional remedies. This is the very heart and soul of the fundamental rights. If your fundamental rights are violated, you can directly go to Supreme Court or High Court as Article 32 कहता है. So this is the overview of fundamental rights under Part 3. कल से सारे rights one by one discuss करेंगे.